Hey, it's me, Kathleen West. I am playing around with a Unity course, and I want to show you my prototyping game that I made that has coronavirus in it. And I imported a model. He was on patrol, and now he's chasing me when you got near me, and he is right on me. So this is a free game design course that I'm taking on the weekends just for fun, and I found a coronavirus model online, and I imported it in to be a non-player controller enemy, and it is following me around now in the game. So maybe I'll get a sword and be able to smash this thing. So that would be my next objective, is learn how to smash an enemy, and I will try to update you with my game progress